Hello, hello my people, my wonderful people, my gorgeous people. How you guys doing? Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. Hope you all are doing well. You all are doing fine. I'm so happy to be here today. Yeah, happy at the same time sad. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, sad. Well, thank God. Thank God for life. Thank God for good health. I thank God for all the people around me, all my friends, my loved ones. Thank God that you all are doing well. And I also pray for as many that is going through hell in the hand of anybody, like indirectly or suffering from one thing or the other. I pray for God to restore peace to each and every one. Amen. Thank you so much. I want this opportunity to thank my loved ones, my subscribers. Say, may God bless you. Thank you all. May God continue to bless you. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for being there. If I have my mouth all over my body, it's not enough for me to thank each and every one. I said I love you all. Thank you so much. I really appreciate from the depth of my heart. I appreciate you all. I love you all from the love of God. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, happy weekend is weekend, and it's getting to almost the ending of the month, and thank God. God has been faithful. God has kept us alive, and He continues to guide and protect us. For everybody around the world, the daughters in this pandemic, people that have been working, that risk their life for each and every one of us to be okay. For people that has been working, there are some people their work did not stop. It did not stop. Even as the pandemic was so intense, they were still working because they can't just afford to stay at home. I said, may God bless each and every one. I can't just be naming, it's going to be long. I just want to drop this little video and the opportunity to just appreciate you all, each and every one of the children, everybody. May God bless and keep on protecting each and every one of us in Jesus' name. So thank you, and if you anytime come across this video, if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. May God bless you. Thank you so much. Yeah, today I just want to drop a little bit just to drop a short video. Just want to draw a short video because sometimes there's how the thing how the thing will they do you. You understand? But you can't just help. You can't help it. Yeah, it has been since, I think, was it Tuesday? Wednesday I come across it, but it's okay. Before I go there, I just want to keep telling my people, yeah, the waist trainer, if you need a waist trainer, the summer is here. Summer.com. So we need to look good. We need to look beautiful. This shirt I'm putting on right now, my tummy is inside. It's just because the shirt is bogus. So when you stand and you look, you know that the tummy is flat. It's the handwork of my waist trainer. So you do work, and when you keep on using it, every day routine, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. As if you did not even wear anything, and it's light and strong. Very light and strong, okay, and it does not hurt. You can use it to walk. You can wear it when you're going out, when you're putting on your clothes, when you're going to work, when you are doing your activities in the house. You can wear it. So, and it's two, okay. We have this one. I normally show it to my video. So many wells, so many people, and again, thank to all the people that have been patronizing me. My loved ones, my My friends, my fans, you guys are too much. You guys are wonderful. I thank each and every one of you. You guys too much. Oh, every day, this morning, I also post, you know, every week, every day, you know, I do post. People do place order, and then the one that get there, they call me. Some depends on the place. Some is very fast. Me, I was even thinking maybe because this pandemic, because the corona, because the things don't they open, but it never just open finish. She understand, but I surprised the way the things still they fast. Even the my customer, people that call me for it, they were like, I just say go tell, you know, even tell like that. Even me, I'm surprised. Some between Spain, the Spain that I am here, 2 days, 3 days, they've got it. Outside Spain, where just name it, Netherlands, Italy, Germany, Norway, just name it. They were like, I've got it, and the one I've gotten it, just wait, you will get, you know, because you send your correct address, no mistake, they will bring it to your house. All of them, I have all of, you know, when they receive it, they call me. Where it to, it's very good and it's very nice. It's very good and nice. They will say they will say that it's tied. They forced it to enter. You have to force waist trainer to enter. If it's just your size, if the waist trainer your size, you know, you just wear and just enter once. You know, they work like that. You need to, you know, force it a little bit to enter. So that's why you have to know the size and know the size that will enter and the size that will not enter. Like big tummy, M or S will not enter. I know if you're using my kind, if I see my kind of tummy when I started it, I started with M. I will know if M will enter this one. So it's like that. And so far, so good. So many people have received this. Is good. They like it, and you know, some even send me the picture after wearing it, before and after. When they send me the tummy picture, because if you don't know your size, just let me know, and I will try as much as possible to gauge it and bring the size that way, you know. And when you wear it, you will see the difference. Definitely, you will see the difference. The difference of where you you know, without waist trainer and with waist trainer. So all my customers, all my loved ones, all my, you know, they'll be like, wow, it's good, and you understand. So it's like that. And when the tummy is big, it's very big, you know. Before tummy become big, not be one day job, you know, na every day. And sometimes our mommies, they'll just stay for us, you know, because of birth, they're born, you know, they breastfeed picking and all. They know they get time to go do exercise, or you know, just eat, and because you need to breastfeed picking. So because of that one, the tummy become they big. So the waist trainer is good, and for so many people don't buy and some get belly, they don't buy, so that if they just born, they'll just take count for one. Very good. So that you know it come big well. So if the belly don't big well, say it don't big, so we still need to work on it. We still need time. You understand? It not be when you just wear it, you just vanish. No, with time and patience, little bit. And if it's big, I advise for two. You know, this one, the inside one, and the outside one. You know, I advise if it's very big, it's very advisable you buy the two. You know, there's the black. This one they are for people. There are so many in the room, so I decided to bring these two. Understand? This one. I decided to bring this one. This one is M. So why this one is XL? You know. So just to show it to the camera, the people that owns this one, so I'll be posting it. Time did not permit me to post it today till Monday. So America, name it. Men do call me. The one that called me today was one man. He wants to buy for his wife too. You know, because he wants. You know, I so much love those kind of men. Wallahi, you know, that will see things like this. I will like. I want my wife to look beautiful like that. You know, I want her to me to go in more. you know, to look sexy for him. He's so amazing. He's so sweet. You understand? Because the thing, it makes me think, this man is a good man. He's doing well. The man is doing well. Those are the kind of men we all should be praying for. Yes. Those are the kind of men. They pray for us, man. Those kind of men. Yes, now. When you will see better thing, you will say, okay, my woman, wear her. You will just buy her and bring her for you. And those kind of men. Now we they like now. Now those one with the want. You know, not be test. You go live your own go big. You go there inside as there, you go they smell, you know they take off, you know they make and they fine, you know they buy things when you go make and they fine. Now to see already made, when other men they do, you will say you won't go test. Those men, poof. Shout out to I go those kind of men, I would praise them. I would praise them, I would love them, I would like them. You know, to see that men, America today, the other one was in Italy, you know, Germany, Spain. This one they say want to buy, the one that coming today now, say want to buy, surprise now for the woman. You know, two. He even gauge the size of the woman for me. He say, go enter. You know, you want to make it. I was like, wow. This came me see day. Not be to come they ask for your number or to come they say, girl, you are beautiful. I like your shape. I like. You want me wife? Oh God. We go they bless those kind of men. Anything they touch, it will they bless. Anything they lay their hand on, their home will be blessed. Their home will be covered with the blood of Jesus. Nothing, no bass, no boast. Nothing they do then. You know, the men when I can't dislike person, the men when go just see. They will see the one where that man they maintain, you know what they do. They will say they won't contest inside. Like seriously, you all did there, you know maintain her, you know say make she look beautiful. You know go see something for outside. Okay, you guys the way that they advertise and you see fine. May you buy her for your wife, make it too weird and she go find a woman. She too go fine. She go wear her. That thing where you see for outside. There is no magic, nothing. If you maintain your own wife too, she go even find past those ones where you they look. Because even those ones, many of them for outside, no level, no bass, nothing. No fuck, not just, no level. You understand? So, maintain your wife, I will advise the men. Instead of looking, you know, they find what you not lost. You not lost anything. I don't know what they find. What you lost when you find? What you get for his ass. Woman, they pray for you, they pray, make things better for you, they plan with you. Is this easy? This is every woman will want to plan, want to carry your Benny Wood with you. It no easy. These days said the girls when we say that they said they don't want not fuck. They don't want if you don't arrive, they want. Let me say you never arrive. If you don't arrive, meaning if you don't do okay. Say you never do okay, you're gonna tell these girls of nowadays, we can they say things go better. They will push your head more for road because they don't want hear. If you don't better, they want me you call them. So you go get the one when you go there with you, will say things go better, they manage with you, they do things. You will say you want to go, you are your own, no. You are your own concern, you are your own. You are your own. I pray, make una receive sense. Make una receive sense, make una know, say, the woman when they with una, they are precious. They are precious. They even, they okay, they get character. So many get character parts, those one we say they look. All those girls when they are we say their head normally, you know, they has. Their head normally know that they has. You won't go fuck with them. They will use you, they will use you play, you know, when they fall your hands on some men when they fall their for small girls. Go off, waiting your woman get to. They fall your hand. Old man. Eh? they disgrace himself. So okay, what they use and they shine. Hi. You know, I beg, if you see better thing, buy for a woman. If you see shirt we fine, see things when we say you fine when another girl see they wear. And she don't born. You want me? She feel see person when you born. No me say you know will look sexy. Now packaging, you know, you need to arrange everything again. Raise everything up, you know. Shaping here. You know, use better cream, no with bleaching cream. Bleaching cream, no. Cream will go, they make your skin, they shine. They make and they glitter. You know? So why would they look beautiful for you? For just you. Only you. I beg, make una stop. Make una stop to the find way to una not lost. Because one day una go find way to una not fee. Una go buy market. Yeah, so una go buy market. And you know go good though. So shout out to those men, kudos to them. They're too much. I like those kind of men. Men way and my mom is say they won't still look good, they won't look good, they won't, you know, for their husband. God bless you all. Or those that have other wasting for me so far. Say you guys are wonder, you guys are doing well. God will bless you now. You know, I don't care say I know the sick game for inside. I know I don't want to make all my mommy look beautiful. Maybe they look sexy. If they say all those sexy woman we say, especially woman we say dog bone, she will still look sexy. And they like her. They like her die. It too they fine. You know? That's why we will not want, because we say tomorrow will come born. We'll say continue. Yes, so not we say we never me as I never born. I can't still get big belly. Never. If I see born, I know one still get big belly. Not that say I never born, my belly will come big. I know they like him. So you never born or you don't born. We need to work on the tummy. Now tummy be shape. Once your tummy go inside, you are good to go. You'll be good to go. Nothing do you now. No bass, no boast normally. Shall they feel me? So now please order. I will leave you my number at the end of this video. So just order, call me. The number the WhatsApp anytime, any day. Order for your size for the we have black on it now. So order for your own and start work. And if your tummy big, order 2. Okay, order 2. Make we tire, make we, because now time now the thing take big. So we need hard working to make I say nothing good come easy. Yes, nothing good still come easy. Now smooth, and this one not the way they pay. If they use them for us, now just make the belly, make it they work and every day make the belly they go inside, finish. You know they pay. So why not start work? Why you if you wear dress, you dress up, your belly big come as una they like her, and you not born finish or you never born. I don't know. Me I know they like them anyway. Some men also they like them. That's why all those men too, they say they look outside. And instead of them to buy for their woman, make the belly go inside. Many women they don't born their belly come out, but they work on her. They work on her. They work on her. The belly can't go inside. The belly can't go inside. So buy and start work. Start work. Let's start work. Some are they come, but we know if they wear all this booger something. You know? We know if they wear everything will come. You know good though. So all my mommies, my advice to everybody that have bought my waist trainer, that are still buying it, please don't buy it and keep it in the wardrobe. Oh, don't buy it and keep it in the wardrobe. I used to go beg all of them. Make they use and beg. Why you buy it? Why you buy it from me? I beg they use them. They use them. The reason why you buy it from me, they use them. And waist trainer not be magic. Now when you they use them, now you will see the magic. Yes, when you don't they use them, you they use them every day. Now every day you wear them for money, you start your activity, you go work. It good for back, you know, it good for a spider, you know, for back, all those back pain and all. It good. You wear and you they do your things for house, or you they go work, or you want to go jog, anyone way you want use and do, it good. The thing say if they doing work in the night reach, you wear in the morning, then you start to do your things. As you bath, you wear and start to do your things. Then you they eat. You they limit your food quantity. The big food where they eat before, if na big one, you will cut it to 2. Like that, you go they reduce them. You know, you go they reduce your food the big one with the you go the small like that. You go they go inside. You go feed they eat. You feed they do anything when you like. It's just that you go they reduce them, and by so doing, you let they go inside. So it just going. If they go now, go it day. You know. Now go it day. Now so me will start work. If you use them anytime, any day, whether you day inside house, you be housewife, you be outside wife, you they go work, you they go gym, anyone. So far make we start work. And if your belly big, buy two. Not just look, buy two. Cause me, if I see waiting good and a very good waist trainer now, good one, and the terrible now good one. If I see waiting good, waiting go help me, waiting, you know, me I know they look the money. I bet it is time for us to concentrate on ourselves more. You know, on ourselves more. All those irrelevant things when they spend money put, we go they neglect ourselves. Not be this 2020 oh. Now no, I not agree again oh. Like I don't fair talk my story before. I don't fair do it before. Not be this 2020. You see what you like, what will make you look good. You can't deprive yourself of those things because say you won't give this one people when we say they no value. They go you know. Now no, I beg no they use our money. Yes, I know say anybody. I know they discourage anybody not to do. But make sure you are okay first. Now that won't be my problem. Yes, I was once a victim of that when they say, now make me I not gonna agree again. I know they agree. I never do okay. I don't want to see you now. Don't fair don't be say we never eat. But when they take about people when we say they even they okay more than you. Those ones don't pass now. Not be now. I never did okay. I don't feel see you. I don't feel see you. I don't feel see anybody. God will even vex say money one I was supposed to take it. I can't give one person, and even the person will come in and do rubbish. It don't happen. It don't happen several times. Maybe say they will misuse and do anyhow, and the money you know going for yourself. Be staging to yourself. It's not good. It doesn't worth it. It doesn't worth it. Okay? So let's concentrate more on ourselves. You first. Moi first. Moi first. No bash, no boss. Yeah, there's time for everything. This time, I said it's for me. And if you don't like it, you can go to her and born to ashes. Yeah. So that's it. So I beg, say go to all of you out there. Please concentrate on yourself first. Yes, concentrate on yourself first. Please. And buy waist trainer. Look good, look sexy, look beautiful for yourself. Do things for yourself. Okay? God bless you. So the second part of this video is the video, you know, that I saw on Tuesday night in the Instagram. Yeah, I first saw that video on Instagram. Was it Tuesday or Wednesday? Because the thing actually happened on Monday. You know, but I did not get to, I got to see it on Tuesday or Wednesday. A very touching, heartbroken video that circulating and things have been happening. You know, for those of us who be say, we don't get heart, we don't get strong hearts. Anytime I watch that video, I cry. The very first day I saw it, that night, I cried sleeping. In the morning, I need to watch the video again. In the morning, I was like, I need to watch that video again. I still start to shed tears again that morning. Yesterday, the same thing. It changed my mood totally. It disorganized me totally. That's a video of George Floyd. When America police kill broad daylight for America. It's so touching. Very, 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 very touching. Oh, I no feel wash am. Like if I dey wash am, I dey cry. My, that's impotency no go like you dey see something, you can't do nothing. It's very now that thing no good for this life. This world we they live in today. Sometimes I'm fed like not be only America or Nigeria. And I got to find out say Nigeria, some Africa country, if not all, and America is the worstest place to live in this world now. The worstest place to live. Nigeria just get their own. When we say that they do, we say sometimes I will come across some video, or if the thing they disorganize me. There was one that was like, I need to leave this Facebook. Because I know if he come, they see things, they share, because the thing they make, if they touch me, they go, they reach bone. Some people, they get, yes, me. If you near me, if you know me, I feel they form hard, hard. That's the most emotional person when me don't see. Now it be me. Very emotional. Yeah, I know they feel they see. I know if they see those kind of things. If they disorganize me, it will just spoil my day. How many from Nigeria? Like, I don't tire. Like, why are people so wicked? Why this world when we dey now? Why people wicked? Because there are some things that you will just see when be say in your widest imagination, when they see people get hurt like that, they do those things, you can't imagine which planet. Sometimes I feel say those people, they be just devil, really. Just that they in a human form, they be real devil. Because I can't imagine me doing, person like me doing such thing. I not get that heart. Not because I'm me. I they tell you, I not get that heart. I they do borrow where. I they do but if he come to do strong thing, if not, that's why people when be say I call my own, then they do me rich like that because they know say I not get that heart to do them. Some people they will get the heart to do you. But me, instead I would like, I don't want you near me anymore. I know will get that heart to do that thing. As much as I will say it, but if it come to do it, I know will fit. Things when you be say that's not be oppression. Things when you be say you won't show that you won't do person. Well, the thing you will come lead to that person's death. Never. And I know if you stay where they discuss those kind of things. I can't. I will expose them. Because my caution never will kill me. So that's why I know the kind of person when I be. Me, I know very emotional. I can't stand it. Watching that video, it was like just we're here for Nigeria, SARS, all those things when we say they do. Police for Nigeria, they kill our youth. They kill black people. They kill Nigeria. Them. Black to black. For Nigeria, they happen. But nobody they talk about them. Nobody they share them. Nobody they video them. Nobody, no riot, nothing to stop it. This guy, when it happened, so George, when that motherfucking police kill, the riot is still going on as we are speaking because I follow them for America. I follow all the page when we say that they do video, that they video sometimes 30-something K, 70-something K views for around the world. People are watching. They are still doing riots now. Those things, when a big said it happen, it has been happening for years. And it happen for Nigeria. When they hate Nigeria, they can't just come out and speak. to even do riot to say make something stop. Nigeria no go fit now to just dey inside, just dey talk from inside house. Why? People when we say they American and they do riot for this guy. We need justice now. Because those are the people when we say they see the video, that video will not be waiting person will feel wash. And person will feel watch that video. You will watch and they as person just they take life come for person. As in breath, this breathing with the breathe. It just take a come from person. It just take a come out without no remorse. It not even shake. Even as it was on live, it did camera. That motherfucker, he not shake. He put her for pocket. That thing was so. If you see how the thing bore me, the thing bore me, and it can't be my black brother. And they say the one that they do, the one they do for Nigeria, we know they say, and here they hear say, SARS, all those things they happen. You know, there is difference between hearing and seeing. Because I hear they hear say Nigeria police, they just see be like useless or brutal American police. They brutal. They are so brutal. Nigeria police, they are like American police. It go hard before you see that kind barbarity art for this pain where we dey. Maybe they don't hide. Or many things we say they don't do. When they do black, they do some hide. Some that kind of woman Drake, now be named that white man when he go rot in hell for killing that guy. He was handcuffed at the back. He couldn't move. He not even feel safe in life. He was on live screen. People the video and the people they begging. He put on for pocket, put on for his neck. The intention na just to kill her. It was all written there. It was all written. It show it clear. Now to kill her, because if we not get the intention to kill person, you put one nail for his neck, you put one for his back for good 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Not be the God. Or even the guy they talk from the beginning. I can't breathe. These people they are going to kill me. Mama, they nobody to Jesus. That video disorganized me for good 3 days, and it's still anytime I come across that video, that's you get things when I don't get my to do so, but if they give me that guy, I go, that's God, why? Sometimes that's why sometimes seeing those kind of things, this world no go just wait till you can't live for the world for. Living in this kind of wicked world, this world is so wicked. You feel like you want to go. Yeah, I feel sometimes that I want to go. I want to go. Because people they die, we don't know where they go. But my belief say that place where they go, if it die, na place it will be now. It's definitely in a place. And they get the belief say it no go watch reach this kind of world when we they living. I don't believe say it will worse. Or it will be like this world when we they living. I don't believe it. Because if they see things when they say human being they do broad daylight, even for Nigeria, America, all around the world. Thank God for smartphone. Thank God for mobile phone. When we say that we can't they see and these things have been going on for years. Make we not even go the side of slavery. They say slavery don't stop. Now lie, slavery never stop. They say raise it to be raise this like you all raise this, it don't stop. Racism, racist don't stop, but it still never stop. They never stop. Like that kind of man, when he be said that coward, that man is the most, that's the, I know so people normally they be coward. They be coward. They be coward. Yes. Because seeing that judge as man tall, big man like that, he tall. He know a coffin, he know fit kill him. As coward when he be, he come a coffin, come press his neck. Cause you know say without that handcuff, there is no way you can, you will feel say you won't kill that my black brother. Never. But as the coward where they be, you need to handcuff and first come press his neck. Put hand for pocket. Guy. Those kind of things, yeah, as they do me, yeah, I feel that kind of person. Now one touch, you just take come for the life, yes. And the question I'm asking now, the question the whole world, there is riots going on in America for days now. Yeah, the incident took place on Monday. Riot has been going on since Monday. That guy not dey prison. The useless motherfucking pig, that white pig, he not dey prison. Why? Because na black he key. Now black, because they feel say black, you feel do anything, no problem. As they take start slavery, they say black, their life not worth. They are nothing. He's not in prison. Justice, many, that man would not kill so many. They have ghosts. Many now, I've been hearing news. We don't watch news where they say many police white men will not kill black. When they not go prison, they say now only fire. All I got to hear say they fire the motherfucker. They fire him for job. Now that one, now they won't do person when he kill person for camera. And the useless word when I want hear again, they want to investigate. What is waiting there to investigate again? Waiting there, when person you they keep person. If something happen when nobody, now only high weakness, yeah. Okay, you say they won't investigate how the thing happen. Everything was on camera. Okay, they won't go force come say the black man do. Even when the idiot thought say he resist arrest, they got to bring camera around. The guy no resist. He no fight. He no drag. She una won't plan now. Una won't see go. Yeah, there are so many videos going on say una de do. You people, you want to go and arrange again. To una won't justify the death. Say one useless white motherfucker keep black. Say he water. Isn't it? Because you guys have been doing it. Now they do it for ages. All the black Americans when they're America today, they did not ask to be brought to America. The white pig, them, they use by for use chain, handcuff, then they take bring them come America. They are Africans. They are black. They did not ask to be in America. You guys brought them during the time of slavery. 1619. That was the time they could calculate in 1619. That was the time. Yes, they could even calculate, but to the look of things, it seems the thing have started before then, maybe 15 or 14. That it has, they never ask, because white people, they feel intimidated with black. Yes, they want to see all the black under, like They want to subdue them. They want to put them where they want to put them other. They are feeling when we say they will feel they control them because you know say black normally. It has got a create black. And the white pig them they know. They know. That's why that coward, that idiot, he handcuff and finish, compress his neck. Say na normal, you know say you know if you kill that guy. If now where okay, where person they say make una come fight. You know if you kill him. But he got to handcuff it as a coward when we say they be. All of them. Them be. Yeah. I don't know. I don't watch those, you know, all those slavery things, you know, the time when slavery we say that they bring black from Africa to go and do slavery when the slavery starts. So people could just, you know, get to imagine it. And so people will say they see gay when we say the experience and small, you know. So they got to bring everything to make the film. When we say I watch, when we say all those, when they take adult slavery time, it was not compared to the real thing when we say our black, my race. Cause white race, there is white race and black race. Or if people they know say black race they strong past them. That's why they start that slavery then. They want to make black they be their slave up till now. Slavery never stop. They just say stop. Racist it never see stop. They still hate black. They still hate black. They just hate, you know. If they give black, they know say if they give black chance, they will do exploit, they will do wonder. They know they give black chance. And they won't do, they can't make sure say they manipulate our useless old fool leaders to make we still be slave. Then they say they stopped slavery in 1863. Slavery starts in 1619. They say it stopped during 1863. But it was still going on. But the time when the fit say it stopped, maybe that 1863. But up till now, till now, slavery never stopped. Raise this and that hate. You know, when we say white people they hate black, they want to make black the other day. They want to make black they know what they not be human being. Then we not be human being that our life no what, you know. Make we not to they clean toilet, to they clean their shit. Now we what? They still want they can upgrade them. Use our useless African leader to upgrade them. With those who help, they can't succeed make slavery. See, they go on up to date. That's why sometimes they pay me. Yeah, they pay me. The kind of situation me say I take on Europe. You know why? Because Africa no good. They pay me for how we black Africa, or the American, the black Americans, maybe say they don't come, they suffer there. We can't still use our leg and our hand. They can't join them. They suffer the same suffer. You know how many, that one was on camera. You know how many black boy, girl, key with that camera not there. That kind of person if you do that one when they video run. And there are many like that. There are many like that all over. And some black or they feel say white people they love them. For real. They don't give a fuck about you. They don't love you. And if you feel, say, why person they do something for you, say, nah, it's just a do. Whites no feel do anything. All this money when they give you, one they take for you. Now, why be the person when they say they no feel do nothing free for you? Never. They can't. Maybe when they say na free money, it's not a free money, motherfuckers. Not be free money. If you not pay, your children will pay. When I say una kone konye de bon, you de look una. There is something, and that help when we say that they help una. I don't fetch up that help before. When I did the situation, I felt there. They will put you on that one they will come take control your life. Anything when they want that you can they do. That's why I prefer work, because if they work, you see they free. But that help, they will give you the help. But they will make sure say you dey on that thing, under their feet. Now you go there. They upgrade them. Will not be free. Make una know they talk, say those help when they give all over. Because not be una president, they give them that money. Una never, if you don't know where those money, when they take the help, Germany, you spend here, you know, some part of this European day, when we say that they help France. If you know where, you don't know where the money for the come, let me know. All those ones that they make math, research, you know they do. Nothing that they do, no, they ask questions, nothing. Free money. If you not pay, now your picking go pay. Okay, your office or you know they give 20 for person free. They can never give you nothing free. Never. They be like devil. In short, now they be devil. They be the real devil. They will take with this hand. They will collect. And if they won't collect, it's going to be 100 times waiting they give you. Just the fees are free. Slavery never stop. Resist never stop. It still never stop. That's why now white I marry. Yeah, now white I marry. I saw my video one day. I talk because I watch all this thing we say they happen for Africa and all. I they pay me say why. I know what thing why people they do our black. If they happen, don't they see many. But I they hate when we say black to black, they do to themselves. Black to black, we don't love ourselves. We don't love this our color. We don't love her. Now then you will see someone say they will bleach and they won't talk to the white people. The pig, Sedo. Now Sedo, they be like if you pig, you know those pig, their skin with this person are the same. Now pig. This is our black when we get this our skin. Or you people they feel they will say that they get them. Because it's very now white are they follow. Now white I marry. Yes. And I know why I marry her. For documents. You understand? I know why I marry her. You know? That's why they pay me say black to black, they do their self. They know they love theirs. That's why if I can't see the one when Oyibo they do our black, those one they pay me more. But I can't say they take the one we say our black to black they do na Nigeria na this Europe. Why? That's why they still get they still want they do us even for that America now. Black and black. This guy with the key, that guy was against black killing black. I mean they come together. That idiot go know he go don't watch the video. He say he won't kill him. So they do something when you go make black and black they do themselves so that they what they do under now they what they engineer under. and they feel do it openly without nobody will ask. Why person don't kill black before? They say you no go jail. Every video don't come out. You no go jail. Snoop Dogging. And they follow all of them for Instagram. Snoop Dogging, PDD, 50 Cent, all of them. They bring all the proof come out. But there is this black that killed a white woman. Saw the video. I saw the news. They not judge and they not investigate. They put her for prison, one touch. But my question, why this motherfucking pig will sit there alive when he keep person broad daylight in the press? Which investigation they won't do? That thing ring for my ear. It ring. Which another investigation they won't do? Yes, I understand the investigation when they want to. They won't forge and they won't bring things to tell people, say, as that idiot, that pig, take kill that black man, he water. Camera see him. Camera when they outside see him, there is no resistance. Imagine say camera not see him, we not see that when it happen. They go talk anything. Yes, now they do here, they do it everywhere. They go forge anything, say, see what did that. He cannot tell you, they will say they see how we drug or he keep person. They don't kill many black for Africa, for America there. And now those pigs go come Nigeria, they go Africa. Nigeria, Africa people, they look them like God. They worship pig. Now they pig. They worship useless or Igbo. Now they worship them for our country. They will see they use them for them. Meanwhile, for their country, they use the obligation that they kill them. They kill them. No mercy, no mercy, no mercy for them. No mercy. That's why they pay me sometimes, to they see what our black people they do. Because if you say, okay, make you go the black side, what they do now rubbish. White is no go area. And the more waiting that they do, the more the thing they provoke me. Yeah, I know, say, that's waiting another person do. You know, if you can't use them for another person. But I can't just help it. I can't just help it. Watching that pig, they kill my black brother. My race, the same race now will be. The thing they make me, they hate the white when I marry. Nobody say I even like them before. Yes, now. Yes. And if they pay me say some black, then they use them. Now use and dump. Because then they will, if you don't use them, they will use you. Now use and dump. If I don't wash all the slavery thing we be saying they don't act. The small as they even manage and the people can't think and when it they oral. They don't even act and what say if they act and the way when it really be when see white people do black skin. You go your entire street begin to kill white. Yes now. If I wash them, and I can't date their country. It would they pay me anytime I watch just film. It would they pay me, I would they swear for our African leader. All of them waiting make us come here. I would they swear for them. I would they swear for our African leader. All of them. As all the old black they use Z, beat rain, beat water come here. Beat sun, all because of they don't make that country to be okay. With the help of England and America. And all that now they make, because they feel they use those idiot heads. They make Africa be like that, so that we go there by ourselves, they come they do the slavery by ourselves. So that make it for look mature. The slavery now you see they forget them. It's just that they call upgrade and they come more make them mature. Yes. Check out for Google. The country where be say they don't travel past now Africa. Africa, when they go, that time they go they bring slave. Europe here, go check, do research. Why Spanish people not get slave? Why they not get black Spanish? They kill all of them. I not go school, no. But with the little I they do all these things when I they do research and I they read small about them. They read history small the one when I understand. I can see the same. They see waiting happen when they never ever born me. Waiting these people use our eyes see, and up till now they are still doing it. They will do or something, they will go free. But we will do, we know they go free. That idiot killed that guy for blood. He put in leg for a neck. He killed him with camera. I put hand for pocket. He killed him. The guy, you know, they prison. Only waiting they do, they only sack him from work when they will go resume later. They will sack him now. They announce and they sack him. Sacking, say they sack him for work. Now that one, now they won't take pay for the person when they kill. Because now black now. God will punish all of them. No matter that is, God. White, they don't love you. They don't love me. So me, I not love them normally. Yes. Me, not be saying now waiting that they hide. If see waiting I'll feel do, they will be saying some go see pay for waiting they do black. All the allegations they go put, especially America, they will put life for their head just to kill them. Why go do something they will put for black body? And many times we say they don't arrest. You see the way they arrest black for America. They arrest them, say they be cream if they don't hear about black. But they are white. You know what I say they arrest them? Very gentle and but if not black, they come prepare. They come prepare. May the soul of George Floyd rest in peace. And may God give the family the heart, to bear this, the loss, the children that the guy get to guess. Just imagine and to see the video of one idiot, they kill your father. Those children come across that video. That is how you they feel. I'm just even missing it. If no, forget. Okay, then we will remove the black and white inside. See someone taking someone's life. It does not even. He not even care. He not even care whether people they wash. Whether he doesn't care about nothing. He just and one idiot can't even there. One Chinese motherfucker can't there. They were all white because they don't plan that. That one can they blow me people don't intervene. Make it kill her. Cause they look us. They say we be animal. Now they be the real pig. Why would they be pig? They be pig. Now they not be human being. They know say they not be human being. They know the value of black. They know as black people be natural. They know as God they create black naturally. So they will, that's why they do everything, anything by thing, to make sure that they want to subdue black every time. Anything got to do with black, they will want do to make sure they don't let them get voice. Nothing. Nothing. And if you constantly look Nigeria, Nigeria can be, that's SARS, they say SARS a key youth like that. Any small thing shoot. Animal in human form, they all see food there. And they know they protest. If you see the protest when they don't go, the property when they don't destroy, thing when they don't do. To stop this when we say don't they come for America. How many una don't do for Nigeria concerning that thing, that one with SARS, with those all those animals, those bastards, they see they kill our youth for Nigeria. How many people they talk about them? How many? Nobody. Because for Africa, they feel say if something happen, now you are your own. They don't care. Now just they don't know they care. But if you see how many states for America they do riots for this thing, but for Nigeria, they don't they do. All they care about is now to defend the youth there. They don't even know they are left from their rights. For this riot, when we say they go on, see, you know how many people don't injure? For justice, for judge, how many people they don't injure? Don't sustain injury. Not be family, not be nothing, but seeing that to see say person keep person for life scream is bad. They came out, they don't care. They came out to cry for justice. Why did they even have to demand for justice? If not because will punish all those white useless American motherfuckers. Why did they have to beg for justice? Why did they have to do riots for justice? These are now that thing now waiting they not suppose, because if not there, if not black, now a key white man, now instantly they know they come out for riots. They know they come out for riot, they will yell Peter for jail, they will give a life sentence, they will just, you know, if na life imprisonment, if na to sentence and to death, they will just do it without no investigation, nothing. But this one, because it's a white pig, white useless idiots, because they want to investigation, the people can't get to the demand for what they're supposed to do. Normally, he keep person for life. This will not be safe. Now waiting, they talk. They leave the guy. Why is he not in prison? When they say now he's supposed, no, they live in their house. He they will use their family. May God punish you now. How this barbaric acts want to stop for this world? Okay, imagine the daughter of that guy, George, or the son see that video. How that motherfucker take key, papa. Then he carry go, they go finish that family now. They go say he do bad. If they won't kill him, they make the kill him. He carry go now, he go finish that family. He from hell to from the up to the down. He finish the family. They will say he do bad, right? But the key person, papa, person brother, person son for life cream. And the guy they out the shop. He not the prison. Or you people now go punish you now. America useless motherfuckers. The racist one way they now go punish all of you now. You people will never know peace. All the barbaric act that you people have been doing to black skin. Now God will punish you now because now God now create white, now create black. We thought we are one before, but we will not be one. If they feel so people love you, you are a biggest joker. You be joker, you be fool. If you have opportunity, you deal with them big time. That will not be waiting that they discuss. That will not be waiting that they talk. Or Igbo people know they call police. That idiot when he make that call call police because they are black. Anyway, they for see black. No, you any small thing police. They know they call police for their people like that. But if not black, they don't call police. Any small thing they don't call police cause. Huh. God. This anger then missing when they watch that video. Yeah, because there's a difference between hearing and seeing. Yeah, people they thought saying so sad they kill Nigeria and they kill Nigeria. We know they see the video. We know the riots. We know they talk about them. Make the old world see them. All the old world see what this motherfucker do. Like anybody when he get hurt, go know say that thing you can't even watch it. They see where person will take person life. Can't be white idiot. If not to stand normally as that guy tall rich, that motherfucking pig, he go feel beat that no, he no go feel even beat him. No talk say he won't kill him. Never. Black they get has got a create black. He normally or people come they acquire their strength, their this from said black they get and there is natural. He no go fit even raise that guy leg. Say they stand down. He can't need to handcuff as the coward when white pig them be. Handcuff and press his neck. Handcuff and press his neck. Huh. Jesus. It's so touching. Something not a pain person like that. And the one way black and black they do. If they pay me, make them stop. And black people should stop. You people should stop hating yourself. Stop hating your race. Your color, the same color. Stop doing bad things to your race. Because Oyibo people know they do. Oyibo people no fit join you, kill their person. But black, they go join Oyibo, kill their black. But Oyibo know they try. They no go try. Black people, if you not change your mentality, if you not change the way we want to think, if you not change the way we want to do things, it's going to be hard. It go hard way. Do you understand? It go hard. It go hard. When we say now they join outsider, even for Nigeria, they join use let's say they no bath. Smelly thing them. Pig. Huh. May his soul rest in peace. Because they say seeing is believing. Seeing that video, it disorganized me for 3 days. It disorganized me. I feel impotent. You know, you're the same, but there's nothing I can do. I feel so like, we say, what you gonna live for this world for? Why, like, you be seeing all this barbaric thing, and you can't do nothing? What is this of you living? What is this of me living? Like, why? And there were people there, all those police, they could not do anything to save that guy. He still kill her. He still not remove the leg. He made sure say he kill and finish. That guy died before they carry and come out. They made sure say they kill and pata. And he's not in prison. If justice, that guy being in life prison because America get death sentence. You kill him, you die. Yes. Because I know about how many black women don't kill. When people don't kill because say he kill white. Then you go kill black and say they won't give him in prison. No. Life in prison, no. It's not acceptable to me. Electric, make it die by hanging or electric. Simple. Now only that one will feel remove the anger in me. He cannot broad daylight with the whole world because they get on the video. There were video around. So it should be death sentence. Death sentence. If not, the family, him and the family will pay. They will slaughter them one time. Yes. And those kind of things, they make people they vex when they say, they will say they won't go do something. If they like the kid and the process, they don't care. This kind of thing will feel make person do. Yes, see that kind of motherfucker doing that video. When he do that video, I'll go finish his family. If you like, they take my life, no problem. But we make sure, as that thing they do me, as I know there are so many black people, and maybe say that thing they do, they will say they won't take that guy life. You take black brother life just like that, and you want to be walking freely. Before you know now, America will find way. All those white pig, white idiot, they will find way to make sure say they cover that mess. That guy will walk out freely. Because they say black, they no matter. Because if was to be the other way around, instantly that black for all day prison. But the next day they say they fire now God will punish those motherfuckers. When he talk that thing, they fire off. If the fire for work, they fire the four of them for work. And so, not be the firing. It should be sentenced to death. Yes. So many people have been saying prison. No, me, is death. They should just kill him. Simple, like that. Because if he get mind, keep person, even when person there, you make sure say he kill him. You have to die too, or your family will pay. Yeah. Because it's our time, all this nonsense. If black people, all these things when we say that they do, if black people, he get what they will do and reach, this thing will cause another thing because it's too much. Enough that to be enough. It's not, you know, be say black, they don't know what they will do. Say if they won't enter them, it's just that innocent, so many innocent people will be down. This thing will cause something. We say, if not now, make justice not there. Make justice not there. Other innocent white people they go pay push for this thing. Yes, and trust me, it's going to happen. May they not put that guy for life in prison or life sentence or death penalty. May you will see. Because there are people that are angry for this barbaric, when we say white pig, when they keep black nigger, black tall nigger, some person tall, huge, man finish. You want to find, you can't kill him. Yeah, I will just talk. That's why they pay me saying there is nothing I can do. And sometimes this word, it will just tire me to living. The word will be so annoying to live in. So annoying. Seeing the thing that is going on around the world in Nigeria, God, so that like, which kind of world be this one? Which kind of life be this one? Which kind of life is they live? How you they live? You they see all these things they go on that they do to human being. That guy suffered before he died. There are so many that you guys are doing. We say camera no even see. You guys have been doing it since the time of slavery. It still never stop. Anytime I watch all those slavery or film, all those things we say they come art, come make people see waiting, use that white people do black then. I could just hate whites. Now those things now they make people, now they'll just do, they'll just begin attaching they keep people. Yes. People will be saying that if it change their brain. They will see the way when they do you know, your race. If you change people mindset, they'll begin, that should begin keep white people. Because he says, since una, but they're not going to not be those ones, but they will just, you know, do it anyway. You know? Very bad. It's very, very bad. And if that guy not going for it, something will happen. Yes. Something will. Anytime they watch those, you know, slavery thing, they'll see the way we say they do our black hair. And they hate the way we say the white when I deal with, when I marry, and they hate them. You know. And they hate, and we just hate it kind. For in person, for in kind to hate my kind, me, I will just hate them. Not because I feel like him before. I will just come hate them. I will just hate them. Also, in America film, and to even know, say, to read this, gonna say the black, when I make black not dead this Spanish, this Spain, say the kid, they're all black, I will just hate them. Not be only, you just hate whites. But what to do? I did their country. Why? Because useless old fools, greedy motherfucking African leaders. When we say they made the country unbearable for people to live in, they make it unstable for people to live in. The people got to leave their comfortable home, you know, their home, their land, to consider they do slavery for another useless people, useless pig, the land. Come make the slavery mature. Una don't succeed, and now God will punish our generation. All those African leaders, when he made this thing be like this, you people, all your children, all the children, we say una they gather the money, they wait. All of them will die for una eye before una time. Before you people will die. You people that gather all the leaders that be existing since Nigeria got independent, una still made the country not good. No, it's not that there is no money in that country. Una make it to be unbearable, to be unlivable, all the whole Africa country, to make the citizen of Africa, of Nigeria, to they leave their country, they'll come another useless pig land. They come, they do slavery. Una can't join hand with the useless pig. Make una make the slavery mature. Now God will punish you people without time death. All your children that you people are gathering that money for, they will die. All of them will die in your eyes. You know that not be same money, not that country. No, you people keep it to yourself. Una join hand with the pig to make the Africa unlivable. God will so punish you people. You people will never know peace. You will rot in hell to make us come here. To make, not be the one we have for Libya, not the one for Morocco. To make Africa, when we say they can't even enter boats. Yeah, they can't enter boat by themselves. They can't do slavery. Now they can't make a mature say now they can't upgrade and they can't do in a way with una to make us say now we go come by ourselves. Not to make they can't they look bad, because the world can't they look their bad, say that they use Africa as a slave, to the watch their bedroom, to the watch their useless pig body, where the shit put your normally they be pig. But what did the African leader do? They make sure say they join hand with them to make the Africa unbearable. May we still they come they do the slavery by ourselves. It's okay. No problem. But there is God. There is God. I was not saying made Africa be like that. There is God. You guys will rot in hell. All of you now will rot in hell. Because seeing all those barbaric acts, we're not supposed to even leave our... See, to know that Africa get money, we're not supposed to leave our land to come here. What they do, suppose they okay, everybody they okay for, you know, make the country they okay, you they okay, everything will they, but no, Now shop the one and one shop. Now see carry the money, cause they give the pig them for here. No problem. Anyway, I have to leave this video now. I was sorry guys, I thought it's going to be a short video, but the emotion is so high and I'm so angry, so I have to leave it here now. So anytime you come across this video, please like, follow, and leave your comment below. God bless you. Please, let's love ourselves, especially the black. I don't give a fuck about the white. White not to use and dump normally. If you can't say they love you, for me, I know. You know that I don't know. But all I am, no, to use and dump. Because if not, they will use you and dump you. Because they not love you. Now something black and white, I noticed that. I don't notice them too. Especially here when we say with them. They know the value of black. They know as we black be. If not be something that they get from you, they know they come. And especially here when we say na Spain. Now those old fools. If they're young, they know they come for will. They know they come for. If they're young for you, they hard before you say. Now only UK now they say young black and young white or they might no yeah. Now when they're not old, they're not the person who will carry them. Their white go reject them. You know they because now only if they get money well you know the kind of money you need to get before they go accept them. They don't get that money. They're costing a black. Now if they want carry. Me. Are you okay? Okay, normally I can't say na black when the life door over. I mean white. Even if I don't want to marry, I will stay alone. Now something normally nine. Because if you don't use it, they will use you. They feel say that they love you before, or they will do something for you free. Never. So be wise. I don't think these people they love black. They don't love you. They don't give a fuck about it. Short, if not be because of the human rights when we say Conde, waiting there for they do broad. They waiting that they do broad. They don't talk of the one that you know the thing when they for they do. Human rights we can cover so many things for this one. Now when we say you know when they make they can they do an art. When they talk of my video, sometimes say white people, black people, they say they're wicked. If you know white people normally, if you know them, wicked souls, now they be the devil. They call anything when it got to be black, when it got to be bad, they call the pink saying a black. Then the thing when it be good, they call say they be white. Motherfucker. Anybody when they told that thing, God will punish you. Now the white people, they be real devil. Useless motherfucker, pig. Useless people. Nonsense. Anytime you come across the video, please leave your comments. Thank you. God bless you. I have to go now. Love you. Justice for George. Justice for him. We need justice for George. Justice must be done. If not, this one will settle again. We can't take laws into our hand. If black feet do turn into white, then they will kill them. They will put them for jail. The white, they will do something to black. They will say they won't leave them free. It not will happen again. Bye. Love you.